Hey everyone, it's Mandy McGuire of the Mandy McGuire Group, Keller Williams Pinnacle, here in Waterloo, Illinois. And today I have with me
Whitney Blanchard,
Jessica Hook,
Don Velker.
and we are going to walk around Waterloo and show you some of the cool murals they have here on the square and throughout the downtown area. I hope you enjoyed the walking tour with us today, and if you have some free time, definitely come down here and visit the square and all the shops and restaurants, and make sure you enjoy where you love like we do.